Hi everyone, this is Tanzina and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a very easy and quick breakfast recipe which you can make in just 10 minutes. So let's get started the recipe. Here I am taking 4 slices of bread and cut the bread into small pieces. Then place the bread pieces into a bowl. On the other side, I am taking 2 eggs. Here I am taking half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of red chili powder. Next, I am going to add the egg mixture with the small pieces of bread. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion and mix all the ingredients very well. In a fry pan, take half tablespoon of butter. When the butter will melt, place the egg and bread mixture in the fry pan. Cover the fry pan with the lid and keep the flame low and wait for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, add some mozzarella cheese on the top. Add some chopped tomato and spread some chili flakes. Again cover the fry pan and wait for 2 minutes. Keep it in low flame. The breakfast is ready. Now you can serve it in a plate. Cut them into pieces. Serve to your family. This is a very tasty and quick breakfast recipe. You can make it at home and serve to your family. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel and share. Thank you all.